Hello, my name is Ben Derrick and today I will be talking you through the standard GUI FET build for a Blackboard module site. Our module is called Statistical Modelling. The module has its unique quirks like any module. However, moulding our content in Blackboard around the FET standard build ensures consistency and familiarity across our modules and a consistent student experience. Each of the headings on the left-hand side in the first two sections represent each of the required content areas in the FET standard build. I will take you through each one in turn to demonstrate sample content. You will notice that we start on the Announcements tab, which is the default page that students go into when they access the Blackboard site. And this is the start of the semester, so you can see it's nice to start with a friendly welcome announcement to begin with. So heading to the next heading, Module Introduction, you can see the content in here is just a brief outline of what the module is all about, the learning outcomes which you can get from the module specification, and use of Blackboard. So where your module may have particular quirks, this might be where you can point out how that will be incorporated into the module and how Blackboard will be used to assist students. So the next heading simply contains the module handbook. The next heading, the module schedule. This gives an outline of what students can expect to see as the weeks progress. And underneath this, just a brief outline of the syllabus content throughout the module. And again, that can be taken from the module specification. The next heading will be learning materials. And in this, you can arrange these materials however is appropriate for your module. So in this particular module, we have a split between lectures, tutorials, and lectorials. That's where you can see separate files for each of those. We also have an additional reading folder, which is reading that goes beyond the core reading required on the module. We have a section on how to format assignments, and we have some miscellaneous stuff which links students to some TV shows and other things that may be of interest to them. The next tab is the reading list. There is the reading list for the module. The next tab is the assignments. In this section, students can find the assessment information detailing how the weighting of the components is split. This can be simply taken from the module specification. The next section will be the context section. In here, each of the module tutors and lecturers that appear on the module are detailed, and it's good to have a picture of each of them also. The next three sections are all part of the standard library build. So in theory, they should be consistent across all modules. So you shouldn't need to worry about these. And the final section is called Module Enhancement. Under the Module Enhancement section, you will see any responses to previous student feedback that have perhaps arisen from previous years. Finally, we have an additional section on the left-hand side, which is simply customized quick links to materials from the learning materials section. So beyond the module enhancement, you can customize your Blackboard as you see fit for your students. In conclusion, the template provides a consistent experience for students and staff. Thank you for listening.